Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you how I dye my hair from brown to this beautiful purple. Now I'm using a Splat hair kit and I did not bleach my hair, so it will be a little bit darker. Pulling out the instructions and reading these. Definitely make sure you put these gloves on because hair dye does stain. I'm going to be grabbing petroleum jelly and putting that around my hairline so that it prevents staining the skin. Shake, shake, shake real good, get the product all mixed up, and then the technique I'm going to be using is with a hair comb. I'm just going to be combing the product through my hair so that it doesn't touch too much of my scalp. So I'm definitely saturating my hair and letting this sit for a complete hour, and then voila, my hair is this beautiful plummy purple. Alright, into the makeup application, I am going to be showing you guys how I created this candy witch. And voila, here is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this candy witch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I inspired you guys to dye your hair with Splat this Halloween.